Have you ever wondered about the astronomical twist to the Christmas story? Each year, as the festive season rolls around, we are reminded of the rich tapestry of traditions and meanings that Christmas holds. For some, it's a time of religious reverence. For others, it's about family, love, and the joy of giving. But at the heart of this celebration, there lies a profound religious significance, a star that guided the wise men to the birth of Jesus. Yes, we're talking about the Star of Bethlehem, an element of the nativity story that has intrigued scientists and theologians alike for centuries. In this video, we're not just revisiting the well-known Christmas story. We're setting out on a quest, an astronomical journey to uncover the true identity of this enigmatic star. Was it a supernova, a comet, or perhaps a rare planetary conjunction? With the aid of modern astronomy and historical records, we aim to explore these possibilities to decode the celestial phenomenon that may have graced the skies over 2,000 years ago. So buckle up and prepare for an exciting voyage of discovery as we delve into the annals of history and the depths of the cosmos. Join us on this celestial journey as we unravel the mystery of the Star of Bethlehem. This Christmas, we're on a quest, not for the perfect gift or the biggest tree, but for something much more profound. We're seeking to decode the astronomical phenomenon that might explain the appearance of the Star of Bethlehem. A star so bright, it guided the three wise men to the birthplace of Jesus, according to biblical accounts. This celestial marvel that shone over 2,000 years ago carries with it an air of mystery that has puzzled scientists, historians, and theologians alike. But what if we could crack that code? What if we could pull back the curtain of time and understand what caused this incredible event? By harnessing the power of modern technology and drawing on the wisdom of experts and historians, we're reconstructing the ancient skies, each star, each planet, each constellation in its rightful place, as we seek to solve this celestial puzzle. With experts and historians on board, we're reconstructing the ancient skies to solve this celestial puzzle. For centuries, astronomers and scholars have pondered over the Star of Bethlehem. This celestial enigma has given rise to countless theories, some grounded in science, others veering into the realm of the fantastical. While the UFO theory certainly adds an entertaining twist to our tale, today we're focusing on the plausible, the credible, the astronomical. Over the years, 6 primary candidates have emerged as potential explanations for the Christmas star. Each of these celestial phenomena could have created a spectacle in the ancient night sky, catching the eye of those wise men looking heavenward. First up, the supernova, the cataclysmic explosion that marks the end of a star's life. This stellar spectacle can outshine entire galaxies, casting a brilliant glow across the cosmos. Could the Christmas star have been such an explosive event? Next, we have the planetary conjunction, a rare alignment of planets in our solar system. Imagine Jupiter and Saturn, 2 of the brightest celestial bodies converging in the night sky. Could this cosmic dance have been interpreted as the herald of a king's birth? Comets, those icy wanderers of the cosmos, have been known to put on quite a show. Historically seen as harbingers of change, could a bright comet have marked this significant event? Then we have the meteor or fireball, a fleeting yet spectacular sight. A meteor burning up in Earth's atmosphere could have been misinterpreted as a divine sign. The heliacal rising of a star, its first appearance in the dawn sky before being washed out by the sun's light, was significant in many ancient cultures. Could this annual event have been the Star of Bethlehem? Last but not least, we have the nova, a less dramatic explosion than a supernova, but a bright and noteworthy event nonetheless. Could this have been the guiding star that led the Magi to Bethlehem? From supernovas to comets, let's explore these 6 celestial possibilities. Each of these astronomical events carries its own weight of possibility, and in our next scene, we'll delve into the evidence supporting each of these fascinating theories. Could the Christmas star have been the dramatic death of a star, a supernova? This celestial event is so bright that it can outshine entire galaxies, marking a spectacular explosion in the sky. Could such a dramatic display have been the Christmas star that the wise men followed, or perhaps we should consider a planetary conjunction? Imagine a rare alignment of planets, possibly Jupiter and Saturn, that creates a distinct point of light in the night sky. In ancient times, such an event could symbolize the birth of a king. Could this have been the celestial sign heralding the birth of Jesus? Then there's the possibility of a comet. These celestial wanderers with their bright glowing tails have historically been seen as omens. Could a particularly bright comet have been misinterpreted as the Star of Bethlehem? Let's not rule out a meteor or fireball. These are fleeting yet spectacular sights in the night sky, often mistaken for stars. Could one of these have been the divine sign that guided the wise men? We could also consider the heliacal rising of a star. This is when a star emerges from the sun's glare, an event that held significant meaning in many ancient cultures. Could the Star of Bethlehem have been a star's yearly heliacal rising? Finally, let's explore the possibility of a nova. This is a less dramatic explosion of a star, but a bright and notable event nonetheless. Could this have been the guiding star that led the wise men to Bethlehem? Each of these 6 candidates presents a plausible explanation for the Star of Bethlehem. They each have unique characteristics that could align with the biblical descriptions and the historical time frame. However, the mystery remains, and the Star of Bethlehem continues to captivate us. Each possibility holds its own set of astronomical data and historical records. As we delve deeper into this mystery, we find ourselves at the fascinating intersection of astronomy, history, and culture. As we look up at the night sky this Christmas, let's remember that we're part of a story that has captivated humanity for millennia. Each celestial event has its own unique set of astronomical data and historical records. As we journey through the cosmos, let's delve into how these celestial phenomena align with cultural interpretations and ancient texts. The beauty of this quest is that it weaves together the threads of science, history, and culture, creating a rich tapestry of understanding. Let's consider the supernova. This stellar explosion can outshine entire galaxies, and its brightness could indeed have been mistaken for a divine sign. Yet the historical records of such an event during the relevant period are sparse. Next, we have the planetary conjunction. A rare alignment of planets, such as Jupiter and Saturn, could have created a bright point of light in the sky. This event has been recorded in several cultures as a royal omen. But could this celestial alignment truly have been interpreted as the herald of a king's birth? Then there's the possibility of a comet. These celestial wanderers have been considered omens throughout history. Intriguingly, Chinese records from around 5 BC describe a broom star, possibly a comet, visible for over 70 days. Could this have been the Star of Bethlehem we've been seeking? A meteor or fireball, although fleeting, could have been a spectacular sight in the ancient night sky. However, its short-lived nature makes it less likely to have been interpreted as a divine sign. The heliacal rising of a star is another possibility. This event, significant in many ancient cultures, involves a star's emergence from the sun's glare. Yet its yearly occurrence makes it less unique as a divine symbol. Finally, a nova, a less dramatic star explosion, but a bright and notable event nonetheless, could have been the guiding star. However, records of such an occurrence during the relevant time period are scant. While each theory holds its weight, the evidence suggests that a comet might be the most likely candidate. Its visibility, historical recordings, and symbolic significance align closely with the biblical descriptions and the time frame. As we gaze up at the night sky this Christmas, let's remember that the universe is not just filled with stars, but with stories waiting to be told. This exploration highlights the fascinating intersection of astronomy and cultural narratives. From the dawn of civilization, celestial events have been intricately woven into the fabric of our cultural and religious histories. They've inspired awe, fear, and curiosity, ultimately shaping our understanding of the universe. Take a moment to imagine yourself amidst our ancestors, gazing up at the night sky. Each twinkle, each streak of light was a story waiting to be told, a mystery to be unraveled. This is the essence of our journey in pursuit of the Christmas star. It's not just about identifying a single astronomical event, it's about tracing the delicate threads that bind the heavens to our collective consciousness. It's about realizing how a celestial occurrence 2,000 years ago continues to illuminate our festive traditions today. Celestial events have not only shaped our understanding of the universe, but also our cultural and religious histories. So what do you think the Star of Bethlehem was? Was it a comet, a supernova, or perhaps a rare planetary conjunction? There's a whole universe of possibilities out there just waiting to be explored. Your thoughts and theories are as vital as those of any astronomer or historian. This Christmas, look up at the night sky, not just in wonder, but with a sense of connection to a story that has captivated humanity for millennia.